Do I really have hope for the future? People ask me all the time. I've seen so much cruelty. I've seen refugees who've had to leave either violence or climate change. I've seen the conditions they're herded into. I've seen forests cut down. I've seen little chimpanzees for sale in the market. And I've seen so much suffering and destruction. But my reasons for hope, the main one is the young people. Because when young people understand and we listen to their voices and empower them to take action, as you know, they can and are changing the world. Second reason for hope is this extraordinary brain, and it is bizarre that the most intellectual creature that's ever walked the planet is destroying its only home. And there seems to be a disconnect between clever brain and human heart, love and compassion. But things are changing, and I've talked to scientists who are working on innovations that are mind-blowing, that truly will make a difference and help us live in greater harmony with nature and give Mother Nature a chance to regenerate. And the next reason, the resilience of nature, places that we have completely destroyed can once again become green and beautiful. If you fly over Gombe today, you won't see those bare hills. They're covered in trees. And probably many of you know places that were destroyed that can once again support nature. Sudbury is one of the most amazing examples, and I've even written about it in one of my books. And animals on the brink of extinction can be given another chance. And then finally, there's the indomitable human spirit, the people who tackle what seems to be impossible and won't give up and either succeed or inspire others to follow on in their footsteps until that goal is achieved.